National Weather Service in Ruskin has issued an extreme wind warning for Manatee County in west central Florida, Pinellas County in west central Florida, Hillsborough County in west central Florida, until 9:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:35 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated extreme winds associated with the eyewall of Hurricane Milton were moving onshore along a line extending from 6 miles southwest of South Bradenton to 25 miles southwest of Anna Maria to 52 miles southwest of St. Armand's Key, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. This is an extremely dangerous and life-threatening situation. Take cover now. Treat these imminent extreme winds as if a tornado was approaching and move immediately to the safe room in your shelter. Take action now to protect your life.